Artificial intelligence. Is future of civilization at stake? Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has witnessed remarkable advancements, transforming various aspects of our lives. Its potential to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and aid decision-making processes has sparked both enthusiasm and apprehension. As we delve into the realm of AI, questions arise about its impact on humanity and the future of civilization. This essay explores the potential risks and benefits of AI, aiming to address whether artificial intelligence will lead to the destruction of civilization. Body paragraph 1. On one hand, proponents argue that AI offers tremendous advantages, fostering innovation and addressing complex global challenges. In fields like healthcare, AI can enhance diagnostics and treatment, potentially saving countless lives. Moreover, AI can automate tedious tasks, freeing up human resources for creative endeavors and personal growth. From self-driving cars to smart cities, the integration of AI promises to create a more efficient and sustainable society. These developments, if managed responsibly, have the potential to uplift civilization to new heights. Body paragraph 2. On the other hand, AI's rapid evolution brings forth significant concerns regarding its unintended consequences. The rise of superintelligent AI systems raises fears of a loss of control, as machines may surpass human intelligence, making their behavior unpredictable. Misaligned incentives or malicious use of AI could lead to catastrophic outcomes, such as autonomous weapons or widespread surveillance, posing severe threats to privacy and security. Furthermore, the widespread adoption of AI might exacerbate existing societal inequalities, leaving vulnerable populations at a disadvantage. It is crucial to navigate the ethical and safety challenges to harness AI's benefits while mitigating its potential risks. Conclusion. While the future of AI remains uncertain, it is vital to approach its development and integration with caution and foresight. By leveraging its potential for the betterment of society and implementing robust ethical guidelines, AI can pave the way for a more prosperous and equitable civilization. However, failure to address its risks adequately could indeed lead to dire consequences. Striking the right balance between advancement and restraint will be crucial in determining whether artificial intelligence becomes a force for constructive change or a threat to the very fabric of our civilization. The responsibility lies with us to shape the trajectory of AI to ensure a brighter future for humanity. If you like this video, then click the like button. Share this video with your peers. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my channel.